A day in the life of a farmer. Growing healthy food. Farmer Tom woke up early, stretching his arms as the sun peeked through his window, ready for a new day on the farm.
Good morning, world. Time to grow some healthy food.
First, Farmer Tom headed to the barn to feed his chickens and collect fresh eggs, ensuring his animals were happy.
Here you go, girls. Enjoy your breakfast.
Next, Farmer Tom walked through his colorful garden, checking on the vegetables he had planted with care.
Look at these tomatoes. They're growing so well.
With his trusty watering can, Farmer Tom gently watered his crops, making sure they had enough hydration to grow strong.
Water is essential for healthy plants.
After watering, Farmer Tom knelt down to pull out pesky weeds that could take nutrients away from his plants.
Goodbye, weeds. You won't take my veggies.
Now it was time to harvest. Farmer Tom carefully picked ripe vegetables, placing them in his basket.
These carrots are perfect for dinner tonight.
Farmer Tom arranged his freshly harvested vegetables on a table, preparing for the farmer's market to sell his healthy produce.
Can't wait to share these with everyone.
At the farmer's market, Farmer Tom greeted customers with a smile, sharing the benefits of eating fresh, healthy food.
These veggies look delicious. How do you grow them?
Farmer Tom loved teaching kids about healthy eating, explaining how vegetables help their bodies grow strong and healthy.
Eating colorful veggies gives you energy to play and learn.
After a successful day at the market, Farmer Tom returned home with an empty basket, feeling satisfied with his hard work.
What a great day. I love being a farmer.
At dinner, Farmer Tom enjoyed a delicious meal made from the fresh vegetables he had grown himself, savoring every bite.
Nothing tastes better than homegrown food.
Before going to bed, Farmer Tom wrote down his plans for the next day, excited to grow more healthy food.
Tomorrow, I'll plant even more seeds.
As the stars twinkled above, Farmer Tom reflected on his day, grateful for the opportunity to grow healthy food for his community.
Farming is hard work, but it's so rewarding.